KOSPI has exploded higher plus 8.86% to $7,847.71, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, May 23rd, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 ticked up plus 0.37% to $7,473.47. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow Jones futures. Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.42% at $29,482. Equity markets are responding to reports that why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.58% to $50,580. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. DAX is up plus 1.15%, trading at $24,889. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.22% at $10,466. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures trade flat as inflation worries persist. Yahoo Finance Australia. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML is up plus 2.57%, trading at $1,632.90. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production. Tom's Hardware. Samsung dropped sharply minus 2.34% to $292,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Nvidia dropped sharply minus 1.90% to $215.33. Investor sentiment is being shaped by chip stock reactions to Nvidia earnings, fading RE momentum or a shift toward hyperscaler capex. Moo. Apple is up plus 1.26%, trading at $308.82. Investor sentiment is being shaped by how services could help generate $13 in earnings per share for Apple stock. Barchart.com. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures trade flat as inflation worries persist. Yahoo Finance Australia. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $103.91 per barrel, up 1.3% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. WTI crude edged higher to $97.04 per barrel, up 0.72% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. Natural gas edged higher to $3.03, up 0.5% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Dow Jones futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off. Investors Business Daily. Gold dipped to $4,506 per troy ounce, down 0.74% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold on track for second weekly loss as rising oil prices drive up rate hike bets. Let us give you our near-term view on KOSPI. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for KOSPI sits around $8,318.57. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.15% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.01% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.19, gaining 0.19% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to dollar cost averaging into gold and silver, the investor's practical guide, gold-silver. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.